I'm going to be answering the two questions you want to know. How much did I pay for the 350Z? How much did I sell it for after I put all that money and time into it? We're going to answer that in a sec, but I need to remind you, this channel is all about going through each car model, learning everything we can about it. So if you're looking to buy one at this very moment that you're watching this video, or when you see the new projects, you have the confidence to know what you're looking for when you go and buy it. And then if you already have one, you have the confidence in the garage to modify it yourself and work on it. So we're here to learn about every car model until I get to the point of my channel being big enough where I can have a car collection and collect all of them. But for now, I don't have the funds to do that. So all of you guys that are going to be up in arms about the 350Z being gone, I'm used to this. I've gotten rid of cars before. I know how it is. Oh my gosh, just get over it. Let's learn about the next car, because this isn't the end of the 350Z series. I promise. I love that car to death. I will be buying a 370Z in the near future, doing full bolt-ons on that, selling that, and then buying another like 2008 350Z. And we're gonna do like a full LS swap twin turbo. I'm gonna wait till I can do that right and spend about 30 grand on something, on a car that is much better than the one I had. The one I had was an 03. It had a little bit of rust in the bottom. It was an East Coast car for a long time. It just wasn't the car for me to keep. I can definitely find a better 350Z in the near future, but just hang on tight. We're gonna go through a couple more car models, build the channel up, find a bunch more people who are in our community who enjoy cars, and maybe by then we can send it sooner than we think on a crazy 350Z build. So if you are subscribed, I encourage you to just come along with the journey, learn about the new car that's coming out on Thursday. I will announce we have a new project car on Thursday, so stay tuned, hit that subscribe button. We're uploading on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays, but let's get right into it. How much did I pay for the 350Z? $4,000 I paid for it. I put about $7,500 to $8,000 MSRP in mods to the car. I wanted to make it the perfect daily drifter, so if you are finding this video, you need to go watch the whole build series. It's on the playlist on my channel. But how much did I sell the car for? Now you're probably wondering, like I was, can you make money off these cars? I made one mistake. I bought a car with too high of miles to even think about breaking even very easily. If I didn't have any support from the people who helped me with some of the parts, I would have definitely not broke even by any means, or even close. So if it wasn't the help with the sponsors, this build and this channel wouldn't be possible. So shout out to all of them. They have amazing products, and the whole series of that build, that 350Z, came out amazing. But I sold the car without the Cosmos wheels for $6,500. Now I still have the Cosmos wheels for perfect 350Z fitment. Hit me up on Instagram, DM me if you're local to Phoenix. You can come pick them up tomorrow, I don't care. So hit me up. They have great tires on them. They have like literally over 60-70% tread on them. I didn't do any skidding on the rears. They're brand new Hercules tires on the back. So if you need some sick wheels, I got the white Cosmos with a nasty good fitment, especially on the back. So hit me up. But yeah, if you're looking to build a 350Z and make money off of it, or even break even with putting parts, make sure you buy one with lower miles and it's a little newer, because you're gonna find someone in our niche of cars looking for that type of car, and they will pay for it. But if it has really high miles, like mine did, 183,000 miles, even though they love it, the miles scares them away, is what I learned. So this next build that you're gonna see on Thursday, I bought a car with much lower miles. Even though it's more expensive, I know I'll win in the end, hopefully. So we'll find out. I'll keep you guys posted on the things that I'm learning with this journey. So I appreciate all of you guys who found the channel because of 350Z. It has been an awesome time. I learned so much, and that platform is amazing to learn how to do stuff on. It's amazing to learn how to wrap. It's a pretty simple car to wrap. It's an amazing car to learn how to do like hydraulic brake installs. Exhaust is easy, motor mods are easy. You can't really go wrong with tune problems and things like that because they're so adaptable. The ECUs are good, and there's not any really crazy like bolt-ons you can do until you get into the turbocharger, supercharger world, which is just a whole other realm that I didn't dive into. So if you guys are looking to learn, how to build cars and getting into it and you're not too confident, it is an amazing platform. I highly recommend. You can go watch the old videos if you get one later and learn everything step by step. Fun stuff. But yeah, I'm really excited for the build on Thursday. I'll be releasing the video. It's one of my favorite daily drivers that's manual, And I really appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video. To end this off, I'm gonna leave some of my favorite 350Z moments in the videos. And like I said, thank you guys so much if you found the channel because of 350Z. That is my mission. We are gathering a community of car enthusiasts on this channel, and we're going through every car model in search to find them all, so we can all unite as car crazy people. So have fun watching this, and I'll see you on Thursday to check out that new car.
Not bad.
That was fun.
You're really tight down and around this trash can.
Okay. They come in hot or slow?
Just start off from right here.
We're getting the hang of it. I'm like... Do you have any tire left on that side?
Yeah, enough to do one more.
Enough to get home? Holy
You like that, Quinn?
Dude, that was sick, man. Good stuff, man.
Okay.
Was that for me?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
It's still smoking.